Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox the ABOX 2-coil fast wireless charger. You can see that it's really nicely designed going around. Has a lot of markings on it, and once we open it you can see that the box has a little sleeve. So once we open that and take the charger itself out, the components that are part of this is a user manual. It is in two languages. One is in English, and also the back part of it is in language it is, if it's Cantonese or Mandarin. It also comes with micro USB cable, which is 1 meter. One side is USB 2.0 and the other side is a micro USB, so you can connect it to the charger. It also comes with a fast wireless charger stand. It is really cool looking, and again this stand part is separate, and also the charge itself is in a separate bag. You can see that now that I'm taking it out. The input on this is 5 volt 2 amps, or it is 9 volt DC going to 1.8 amps. With this, the frequency range on this is 110 to 205 kilohertz. The charging distance on this is 4 to 10 millimeter. So it looks really cool once you put it together, as you can see right now. But first, make sure that you connect the charger to it and then hook up this stand in the back part of it, and that way you can connect it. So the other side will be either going to your computer, or in this case we're going to plug it into the wall socket, and on top of that it's just going to charge for you. The best part is it does have a little green indicator in the bottom, as you can see right now. That's how you know that it's charging. It does have a fan in the back just in case if it heats up, and I haven't seen that yet since I'm testing this for a couple of days. This is very inexpensive little piece of device that you buy for your something like LG V30, Samsung S8 or S9, or also iPhone 10. This works like charm. The links will be available where we can order this from, and also get some information from the official website at the bottom of this video. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, it really helps us out. Give us a thumbs up so we can bring more these type of videos to you. Also remember to like us on Facebook, Instagram, and other social networking places, and also make sure you visit our website, which is exitex.info. And thank you.